identify who you are and what kind of business you want to run and who your best clients are or who you suspect they are.
The reality of it is, where are you going to find this much marketing help, which I don't care who you are, we all need it. And if you can get all that in one room over a condensed version of a couple of days, along with all this camaraderie, why would you not?
You cannot market yourself if you don't first know yourself. 77% of them are going to be choosing you by how you're presenting yourself online.
Know who you are and what you have to offer. Know who your client is that likes what you have to offer, and then just all the ways to make sure you're taking really good care of that person. So the general theme has all been very connected of doing the right things for the right people, and it seems to work out.
Get ready for an event that's going to revolutionize the way that you market your business. We're introducing Mars, our Marketing for Auto Repair Shops Intensive. We've curated an extraordinary lineup of marketing experts from various categories to guide you through the ins and outs of marketing in today's digital age. So not only are you going to be able to gather those insights from those experts, but we're going to help you craft your own marketing plan with actionable steps that'll help bring in new customers. You're going to leave Mars with a personalized marketing roadmap, templates, content strategies, and the tools that you can implement the moment you return to your shop.
This is the place to be.
It's just like she just lit a fire in me.
There's always room for improvement, and the best way to do that is go to experts that are smarter than you.
Hey, if you're not here, you need to show up.
This event really pulls it all together and ties all the different elements of marketing and gets you all the information you need.
That's what Mars offers, a game-changing experience that'll elevate your auto shop to new heights.